Linux is an open-source operating system based on the Unix operating system. Linux is more commonly used in servers and supercomputers. Windows is more popular among personal computers. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Windows is generally considered to be easier to use. And Linux, one of the key features of Linux is its modularity, which allows users to choose from a wide variety of software components to customize their system to their needs. Linux is also known for its stability, security, and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for many applications. For installing Linux on Windows, first you need to enable Windows features, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Open it. Open Programs and open this. Scroll down, you can see the Virtual Machine Platform. Virtualization lets your PC emulate a different operating system, like Android or Linux. Enabling virtualization gives you access to a larger library of apps to use and install on your PC. Whether you are a software developer, an IT professional, or a technology enthusiast, many of you need to run multiple operating systems. After restarting your computer, open any browser and type VMware download. Open this and download VMware. VMware Workstation Player is an ideal utility. Easily run multiple operating systems as virtual machines on your Windows PC. After completing your download, open the download folder and install VMware on your computer. Now we want to download the Kali Linux image file or installer. Open any browser and type Kali Linux download. Open this and download the image file. We want to download the installer images and 64-bit. After completing your download, open to the VMware Workstation. Create a new virtual machine. Select the installer disk image file. Select the Kali Linux image file in the download folder. Select the Linux platform as guest operating system and Ubuntu 64-bit from the version section. Disk I give 30 gigabytes. Open the Customize Hardware settings. I give memory or RAM 4 gigabytes and for the number of processor cores, I give 3. Network connection use bridged. Already did our VMware setup. Now we want to install Linux on VMware machine. All processes take time around 1 hour. If you will not yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook. I will make more videos for the Windows and Linux operating systems. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It was developed by Offensive Security and it is based on Debian. Kali Linux is primarily designed for security professionals. It can also be used by anyone interested in learning about security and testing their own systems for vulnerabilities. I just default setting, and it's good for the beginner. You can check my other videos, how to install macOS on a Windows computer, and many more. Software selection. I select the default and continue. Wait until the complete install. Linux can be a great tool for learning about operating systems and computer science. You can use Linux to explore the command line interface, learn programming languages, experiment with system configurations, and more. Linux is widely used as a server operating system due to its stability, security, and flexibility. You can use Linux to run web servers, database servers, email servers, file servers, and more. First, we want to update and upgrade our Linux operating system. For the update, we need to open the command line interface, and Linux mostly uses the command line interface. And type sudo apt-get update. Give your password. After the update, we want to upgrade. Type sudo apt-get an upgrade. Upgrade may take 20 to 30 minutes. Type Y and continue. Follow my Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel, IT Support Pro. I will make more videos for how to use the Linux operating system.